Your hands are not just tools. They are how you ask, how you listen, how you hold without gripping, how you stay without needing to lead. Most people are never taught how to use their hands during intimacy, so they do too much or too little, too fast or too rough. They forget that hands can be just as powerful as any other part of the body. This is part 2 of our How to Touch Someone Right series. In part 1, we explored how to read a body without words. And in part 3, we will talk about how to know if it actually feels good for them and for you. Before we go deeper, make sure to subscribe to Secret Pleasure Lab. This is your space for honest and inclusive conversations about intimacy, the body, and how we connect. No shame, no pressure, no pretense. New videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Want to support us but do not want anyone to know you subscribed? No problem. Just head to your YouTube privacy settings and check Keep My Subscriptions Private. We will never know, but we will still love you for it. What makes hands so important? Because they are how you communicate. Before your mouth speaks, before your body moves, your hands say, I am here. I'm paying attention. I care about this moment. Hands can explore, hold, linger, tease. Anchor someone when things feel intense, or calm them when things speed up. How should your hands actually move? Start slow. Slower than you think. Then slow down again. Let your fingers trace, not grab. Let your palm rest, not press. Change the rhythm. Let silence build between each pass. Use your whole hand. Or just a fingertip. Use the back of your hand. Use 2 hands at once. Map the body without trying to get anywhere. Where should you focus? Not just the obvious places, but the in-between spaces. The inside of the wrist, the curve behind the ear, the top of the thigh where breath changes. Touch the chest, but not the center. Touch the spine, but only as it invites you in. Pay attention to what opens and what tightens. That is how you know where to stay. What makes touch go from good to unforgettable? Variation. Stillness, breath, being unhurried. Touch that lingers after it leaves. Touch that is not afraid to stop. And wait for the body to ask for more. Touch that feels like a question, not a demand. That is what people remember. What is the real takeaway? You do not need fancy moves. You just need to care. You just need to notice. Your hands are not separate from your heart. They hold the same weight. When you use them like it matters. Follow Secret Pleasure Lab for more body-aware, emotionally attuned intimacy education. And join us next time for part 3 of this series, where we explore how to tell if it actually feels good. Not just for them, but for you too.